Today I'm going to guide you through that how to host your free website. Okay, so first of all let me show you that. Okay, so first of all I do have a code. Okay, so I'm going to host it for free. Okay, and it is 24 by 7 lifetime. Okay, no payment. Okay, so it's my folder. Okay, so here I'm going to show you my main.code. So yeah, it's like I use Flask to show it, and here you can get port. Like you must do this like help route. Okay, so just copy this and ask AI to generate code for your website and use this, so your backend will never get offline. Okay, like I'm going to show you through status.codevisionless.com. Here my backend is completely online, and I'm going to show you that. Okay, not railway, it's render, and I'm going to show you that. Okay, let me close this. Here is my source code, as you can see. Just you have to make this and render.yml just for. Okay, and yeah, just this is a starter command, and no need of this readme.md file. So after going on, go here on dashboard, so you'll get to see your projects like this one. Okay, so this backend is here. Okay, so uh, we're gonna get settings. So I don't know how to check how much long it has been online. Okay, it's my custom domain, as you can see, and with free, like I created it at 9.6, and I'm going to show through uptime robot that how much long it has been online. Okay, so as you can see, here uh, it's up for hours 13 minutes and 100% uptime, and it is 24 by 7. It will never get off. It's my promise. Okay guys, so first of all, uh, get your code ready, and you must have GitHub account. Okay, so GitHub account, so go on github.com. like if you are new here at GitHub, just go here and this sign up, and then fill form here. It's easy. Okay, after that, like it's my temp GitHub account. Okay, nobody will check it. Here nothing, it's off work. Okay, then create a repository by clicking on new repository. Let me name it is free server. So after this, click on add readme, then create repository. Okay, so done, your free repository is online. Like yeah, and go on upload files from add files, and just drag and drop these three files over your entire website file which require this backend. Okay, and don't forget to get this. I'll provide you this code at my GitHub. Okay, so upload these. Done. Okay, and do commit changes. After this, you will get this link. Just copy it or cut it and go on a render. Okay, and go on here, you can check it's your project. So go on back here and click on new project, or just click here on new and web service. Okay, then GitHub public repo and paste it here. Done. Now it will clone your GitHub. Okay, then Python 3 main Singapore is best. Okay, and you will get this, and for this you have to use another what, mm, code, because our one is not app.py. Like you can change it as app.py. Okay, rename this file as app.py, so you don't have to change anything. It render. Okay, just done. Okay, and click on deploy web service. Okay, why it's asking. Okay, free version. Okay, deploy web service. So your web service has been launched. Okay, so you can go here. Like, now it will wait, it will ask you to wait some time. Okay, so now our aim is to make user do not have to wait here. So for that we'll use uptime robot. Okay, so go on here and create account, like get start for free and create account, and you have to come in this link dashboard. Okay, and go on new, create new, just like this, and copy this website link. Okay, copy this website link and don't reload it. Oh yeah, it is online right now. Okay, so copy this website link here and paste it here, and you are good to go. Just select 5 minute and create monitor. Okay, and your website will be live 24 by 7. Like you can check here, my website is live. Like, yeah, and it will be live forever. Like you can check this URL. I'll put this into my comments, and hmm, yeah, here is my, like it is preferring. Okay, so here is my old site which is off for 4 hours and 18 minutes. Like it will be online forever, guys. You can check whether my old site is working or not by just going here. Okay, and you can check new site will also be monitored. Yes sir, yes, it is off for 42 seconds, and you can monitor it by ear, and your backend will never get off. So if you like the video, do like, do subscribe. Okay, just you can refresh this page, you can check how long your site has been online, and it's how second ago it checked your site. Okay, so yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Have a good day.